Thank you, Lisa. Lifting na-share ko na ako maghahatag sa atong investment. Itong may araki na sa iyang meaning. Pero sa outside world, tungkol sa mga naganegosyo, lain-laya. It is not a worldly financial speculation. But ang investment niya sa atong media, it is the use of one's time, money, and abilities to fund God's work. Kung siligunan nato ng kinaiya, pinagdata, para sa agatong sa Ginoo, sa pagbuli, the most important thing matutunan is to build a character fit for eternity. Preparation para sa ato nga kabuhi dito sa langit. Now, biblically, investment is the wise stewardship of management of God-given resources. The temple, the sign, the talents, and the treasures. Back then, I learned about the investment project during a Sabbath school promotion, and that particular time, I decided to participate. Makutulong I searched for it. That's why I committed everything I had, my time, my talent, my body, and resources to God. That was the starting. This is my testimony, mga kuturan. Madami ko siya mamangtod sa akong wire ng training medication. Ano ginasyon ito wala? Investing my temple. The body is the temple of God's Spirit, requiring active care, not passive care. Ano gina-prefer natin? Buklon na wasla o i-prevent ng sakit? I-prevent, di ba? So, kung na ako natutupan, saan i-invest ko mga nga? Self. Following the 8 laws of health, this is what I discovered by studying it. Replaces disease management with total body preservation. So, in short, mga katuran, God enlightened me with that prevention. Stop sickness before it starts. Eliminating the heavy burden of lifelong pharmaceutical maintenance. More than 30 years of disciplined living yield a harvest of vibrant energy. Secure na ko subong, ang energy ko, ang clear vitality, and natural immunity para ito